Hello everyone, my name is Brian Becerra, and today I will present my comparative analysis between a local and a global artwork. The local artwork is the Virgin of Manare, a large sculpture located in Pasariporo, Casanare, Colombia. It represents faith, protection, and the deep devotion of the Llanero people. The global artwork is the Pieta, created by Michelangelo in the 15th century. It shows the Virgin Mary holding Jesus after the crucifixion, expressing love and sorrow. Both works represent the same theme, the Virgin as a symbol of faith and motherhood. The Virgin of Monare connects spiritually with the landscape of the plains, while the Pieta shows the human emotion and pain and compassion. In my opinion, these artworks demonstrate the idea of local, a local expression that shares visual values of love, hope, and spirituality. Thank you for listening.